Welcome to Pantech Solutions. So today we are going to see the demonstration of median filter by using TMS processor as well as TFT display. So the TMS processor is used for processing the image algorithms and the TFT display is used for display the input image as well as output image. We are going to use Code Composer Studio, which is used for creating software applications of your projects. So I'm going to load the projects into CCS. In Code Composer Studio, you cannot load the image directly. So first you have to convert the image as a pixel values. So it will be done by MATLAB. So I'm going to process color image. So we have three header files: blue, green, and red. Each contains 320 x 240 pixels. I have added pepper and salt noise in image. Then it will be removed by median filter algorithm. So now I am going to debug. So now the program is being loaded by CCS tool into DMS320 C6745 processor. In this board we have an external memory because inside the TMS processor we have only less amount of memory, so this is not enough to store your input data. So you can store number of image into external memory. By clicking this icon, you can download your binary file into DSP processor. At the same time, you can see the output in TFT display. So this is our input. The input contains salt and pepper noise. Now it will be removed by median filter algorithm. Okay, now we have the output. Noise has been removed by median filter algorithm. So the same input and output you can see in CCS tool by using image analyzer. First of all, we have to set some parameter to display your input as well as your output. So first we have to choose RGB because here we have used color image. Then number of pixels per lines is 240 and number of lines is 320 and pixel spread is 4. The masking value depends upon your color image format. So then we need a starting address. So first we have to find where our input image is stored. So our input image is stored in output variable. So corresponding we have to find what is the starting address of this output variable. So the output variable starting address is C00E1000. So just we have to enter that value into starting address. So this is our input with the salt and pepper noise. So now we can see the output. So first of all we have to find where the output is stored. The output is stored in output 1 variable, and corresponding we have to find, so what is the starting address of output 1 variable. So starting address is C012 to C000. Just paste into starting address. By refresh, you can see the output. So this is our output. So the same output you can see in TFT display as well as in Code Composer Studio. Thank you for watching.